The pythons are swiftly and clinically processed along the assembly line by trained professionals.
This facility is one of the most advanced snake meat processing factories in the modern food industry. Here, every stage is carefully controlled, from animal handling to final food packaging. Snakes are raised in monitored environments designed to meet strict health and safety standards. Temperature, humidity, and movement are continuously tracked inside these containment units. Once approved, the snakes are transferred to the processing line under controlled conditions. Every transfer step is designed to reduce stress and maintain hygiene. The processing area is built entirely from stainless steel for maximum cleanliness. Automated systems prepare the snakes for processing with precision and consistency. Water and sanitation systems operate continuously to maintain food safety. Specialized machines begin the skin removal process with controlled mechanical motion. Snake skin is separated cleanly, preserving the quality of the meat. The exposed meat moves directly into a washing stage to remove any residue. High-pressure water jets clean the meat without damaging its structure. Quality inspection teams monitor texture, color, and freshness. Only approved portions continue through the production line. Precision cutting machines divide the meat into uniform sections. These machines ensure consistent portion size for commercial use. The meat then enters temperature-controlled processing chambers. Here, treatment methods are applied to stabilize and preserve the product. Steam and heat levels are carefully regulated throughout the process. As cooking or treatment completes, the meat exits with visible texture changes. Cooling conveyors gradually reduce temperature to food-safe levels. Airflow systems ensure even cooling across all portions. Final trimming removes excess material for consistent presentation. Each portion is weighed automatically to meet packaging standards. Accurate measurement ensures quality control and product uniformity. Vacuum sealing begins, locking in freshness and extending shelf life. Food-grade packaging materials protect the meat during transport. Labels and batch codes are applied for traceability. Each package can be tracked back to its processing cycle. Finished packages move into organized storage crates. These crates are transferred into temperature-controlled cold storage. Cold rooms maintain consistent conditions to preserve quality. Every storage area is monitored around the clock. Strict hygiene protocols are enforced throughout the facility. Workers follow safety procedures to prevent contamination. Automation reduces human contact while improving efficiency. This balance of technology and oversight defines modern food processing. The final product meets international food safety requirements. Prepared snake meat is now ready for distribution.